how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So I have a bunch of boxes in my pile to open. I was kind of sorting through them and I realized I had this one for a little while, and since it comes like in a big mailer envelope, I put a box over it and I somehow overlooked it. So I've been meaning to open this on my channel for over a week now. So as you already know from the title, but this is a Snail Mail Sticker Club. So this is brand new to our channel. This was sent to me free for review. So it's full of stickers and cute things. I am super excited to see what's in here. I feel so bad that it got like misplaced in my mess of a filming / beauty room. But like with any new subscription on my channel, I did pull up their website so we can learn a little bit more about the company since it is brand new to us. So Snail Mail Sticker Club, it looks like they have a few different options. So if you pay for 12 months at a time, it is only $10.95 per month, $10.95 per month. But if you want to pay just month to month, it is $12.95 per month. So what is in it? It says you get over 10 awesome sheets of stickers, a fun envelope to brighten your mailbox, which is true, this is so cute, exclusive frameable 5x7 postcard, an affirmation card to encourage you, and one to share, which is super awesome. A fun surprise and online goodies along the way, and it looks like there is free Canadian and USA shipping, and then if you want to get this worldwide, it is $6 shipping. So that's not awful. Sometimes when you do like worldwide shipping, it's like over $25, so that's cool. So let's see, 10% off on all purchases from the sticker shop, so it looks like you can buy some stuff on their site. Fun surprises and goodies, I said that. So your subscription pack ships on the 6th day of the next month when you order. So if you order, for example, on January 12th, it will ship on February 6th. Cool. Okay, so let's see what cute stickers are in here. I'm just assuming they're cute. I'm sure they are. Alright, so there's a card on top that says, "Happy Day, Happy Sticker Mail. Did you know this is our very first mailing? We are so honored and grateful that you've trusted us to send you joy this month. This month's affirmation is, I am up for the challenge. You may not know how yet, but you've got this. You are up for the challenge. You may do hard things. Share the second card with someone who needs a reminder. Here are some of our favorite stickers this month. What are yours? If you use the hashtag Snail Mail Sticker Club when you share, you could win bonus stickers in the June pack. Llamas are making an appearance next." Ooh. I love that they have affirmations in here. So let's see. So here is a postcard. It says, "Yeah, you're awesome." And then on the back, look, there's like a cute little snail. So you can send this to someone. And then, well, here's a little card that's for me. It says, "Love" on it. Super cute. And it says, "Thank you so much, Kitty. Many blessings, Alexis." You're welcome. Thank you so much. And this is, "I am up for the challenge." So these are the two affirmation cards. This is, "I am up for the challenge." I love like positive affirmations. I couldn't sleep last night. Do you guys ever get like anxiety before bed for some reason? Like think of every worst possible scenario or things that have happened in your life when you're in bed. Like I hate when that happens. So I was listening to positive affirmations trying to get myself to chill out and go to sleep last night. So definitely into stuff like that. Oh, awesome. So in here I missed this sheet that says here are all the places you can find us. So it has like their own website and their social media links and stuff. And then it also gives description of what comes inside, but I already found that on their website, and it looks like they gave us a promo code. Thank you so much. It says, we want to say thank you for reviewing our sticker pack by giving your readers an awesome perk. The code below is worth 20% off the first month with us. And the code is Kitty20. Of course, I will leave that down in the description box. Thank you so much for sharing a code with us. That is super sweet and awesome. And now, here's what we're all waiting for, all of the stickers. So they're in this cute little bag that has a little snail on it. How cute. Here, I'll just pull one out at a time. Okay, this is adorable. Look at these stickers. Like little animals, like look at the little turtle, I love it. Oh, there's like a little elephant, awesome. And then there's one full of green stars. I love it. I love the green. Oh, and these ones are gold and they're like different birds and hearts. And it looks like maybe some flowers. Hopefully you guys can see. I know it's a little bit reflective with my camera and everything. These are super cute. Oh, this one's little bees. This totally is Happy Mail. How cute. Oh my god, are these jelly beans? Jelly beans stick and sniff. Oh my god, you can smell them. This is what it looks like. What one should I scratch and sniff? Just yellow. Oh my god. I don't want to like scratch them too much because I want to like use them. They smell good. And they all kind of have a different scent. This is so cool. I love it. Next is like hot air balloons and stuff. This is so cute. There's like little bears and the balloons. Oh my god. I am gonna sticker the hell out of things soon. Oh, this one's fish. I love fish. There's like some clownfish, a bunch of different types. Very cute and pretty. Like a little reflective. Look at that. Awesome. Do you guys have planners and stuff? This will be so fun. Oh my god, this is random and so cute. Little buttons. All different types of buttons. I hope you guys can see. I'm not like helping at all, putting my hand behind it, but there are so many different kinds of buttons on here. Oh my god, this is like the never-ending sticker thing. Let's see what these are. Some of them. Oh my god, this is so cool. These are like a little bit thicker. Like these are actually like little gemstones. Like little gardening stuff, little cacti. Super cute. I'm definitely gonna use those. Here are some animals. I love the hippo. Okay, in the last sheet, oh my god, these are little animals too, and they are so cute. Look at it's like little Bambi. Oh my god. This is so cute. All of these are cute. I'm sorry, I've got cats in here if you hear anything. So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 sheets of stickers. That's over the 10 they say. Super cool. Got the postcard, the happy day explanation, the little affirmation cards that say I am up for the challenge. This is such a cute little subscription. I love it. You guys, if you like this as well, if you're into stickers, planning, if you have kids that love stickers, like who doesn't love stickers? They're so fun. I'll leave the link down below along with the promo code. Thank you again for the promo code. This is such a cute subscription. And thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you are having an amazing day. And if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.